Right, here is an easy piano tutorial lesson for Lil Peep and XXXTentacion, a new song, Falling Down. Here's a preview. Pretty much it repeats the whole song. So we go with the right hand, starts with D, and then C, and then D, and then C again, and then B, and then A. So let's do this fast. And then A again, B, A, G, E. Let's do this second part again. Right, so let's do it all of it. So again, C, D, C, B, A, B, A, G, E. Simple, that's the right hand. And then left hand, C major. Count for 4 beats, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then A minor. Same principle, count to 4, so C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then E minor, you count until 8, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it.